Welcome back to another video, guys. And as you can see in the background, you can tell where I'm at. Why am I here? Toyota Sequoia Limited. I came to get these headers off of this engine because they're needed for an engine that's already in another car, which you guys get to see here like soon. Got me a scissors jack that I'm going to modify, putting a 1/2-inch socket, weld on here, flatten this all the way, make the top flat or the round piece for my G35, and fabricate that. And I found this. Looks brand new. It's a Dickies sun visor. Nice, good quality. But hey, let me get this stuff out to the truck, pay the cashier, and go show y'all this car these headers going into. All right, so hey, y'all know as always, straight hustle. Ain't no luck around here. Did y'all pray today? Forgot to ask it in the beginning. Say a prayer, y'all. Whatever you need, talk to the man upstairs. He get it for you. So if you see behind me, now you see where I'm at. So you kind of figure where them headers are going. Okay, we're gonna go with that right there. Hold on now, Lexus, whoa. V8, hold up. Oh. Damn, they done roll up a Lexus. Check that out. What that is. What that is. Anybody tell me what that is? Let me pause real quick.
Later.
Damn. Yes. Got a Lexus V8 and it's 240. Now, it's all gutted because you know what's going to happen with it. All right. See what's going on down here. But yeah, he actually got bricks. So over your front end. So let's see what the inside look like. Gutted. Oh man, that's a huge ECU. Well, yeah, he's gonna do his thing, clean this up, and I already got the battery in the back. Has to. But yeah, first event. This thing should be on the track. So now I'm gonna drive home, and this video might end with something y'all waiting on, or it might not, depending on my drive home. What's happening when I get home, we'll see. But all right, let me go hit the road.
2 hours later.
All right, so I thought I was gonna go home, throw this together, get it on the car, and fire it up. But I still have not wired in the MAF, bolted up the filter. ECU is still sitting on the seat, and my distributor or igniter is in here somewhere. So I'm gonna, oh, and the battery is still not hooked up because I got all kind of stuff in the trunk. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here and leave all this for another video. Oh, also, whenever I find my trim piece for my moonroof, make a video on that also, detailed. So, I thought I was gonna be able to come home, throw it in the car, and go, but nah, still a lot more to do. So, hopefully next video, we get a good video of this thing running with the turbo and everything set up. All right, that's gonna be it for this video. Appreciate y'all watching as always, and hey, it's all good things to come. We got a 240, we got my G35, got Jeremiah's G35, which is gonna be a drift car. We got the Miata that's gonna be here for a while, and we got the Datsun 510. So a lot of cars on the channel. I might have to make a schedule on which day is what's coming out. So hey, stay tuned. Appreciate y'all watching, sharing the videos. The views are going up, and I appreciate it so much.